Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video I'm going to do the gaming review, battery drain test and the heat test of Realme 3i. Now before we get started, these are the Antutu and Geekbench scores. Now this is my current setup. There are two huge lights on either side. Currently phone has 42% of battery left and there is an AC running in the background at 26 degrees and the current room temperature is also 26 degrees. Now let's check the temperature of the phone. On the front it's about 35 to 36 degrees, at the bottom it is 35. On the back it is 35 degrees once again, and at the bottom it is 33 degrees. Now this phone has something called game space where you can add your games to it and the phone will improve the performance of those games. And whenever you open any of those games, phone will automatically switch to a different power profile and give you overall better user experience. You can also enable game assistant and you can access it by swiping near the notch area. So guys, now I'm going to start the timer and start the gaming review with Asphalt 9. By the way guys, this phone has the speaker at the bottom left side, so you can hold it in this way so that the speaker won't get muffled. Now as you can see, visuals are pretty good. Details like sparks, particles are looking really good. There's a slight bit of lag, but that's negligible. Controls are pretty smooth, but slightly more sensitive than other phones. By the way, sensitivity can be changed in settings, I didn't just change it. Overall gaming experience has been great. So guys, it's been 12 minutes. Now let's check the temperature of the phone. On the front I've seen a maximum of 41 degrees, at the bottom it is 37. On the back it is once again 41 degrees and at the bottom it is 36 degrees. Now the phone feels slightly warm, not hot, just warm, and it's manageable. Next I'll be playing PUBG Lite. Now we can play PUBG on this phone without any major lag, but if you want the best battery life and want to have a very smooth gameplay, playing PUBG Lite is also pretty good. Visuals look good, there is slight lag, but it's negligible. Overall gameplay is smooth. So guys, I've been playing this game for about 16 minutes. Now let's check the temperature. On the front I've seen a maximum of 39 degrees, at the bottom it is 37. On the back it is 38 degrees and at the bottom it is 33 degrees. As you have seen, when compared to Asphalt 9, while playing PUBG Lite, phone didn't get all that hot. So that's definitely one advantage of playing PUBG Lite over regular PUBG. Now I'm gonna play the actual PUBG mobile game. For some reason I was not able to connect to the server. I tried like 5 to 7 minutes, but no luck. It keeps saying wait 200 something seconds to log in, and even after so many seconds it still said servers full. So let's stop it here. So guys, overall I played Asphalt 9 and PUBG Lite for about 30 minutes and the current battery percentage is 32%. So for approximately 30 minutes of gameplay, phone used about 10% of battery, which is pretty good. Now for the heat test, I'll be taking pictures continuously using both the front and rear cameras for 3 minutes and then check the temperature. By the way guys, there is still an AC running in the background at 26 degrees and the room temperature is also 26 degrees. Now I'll reset the timer and start taking pictures. So guys, it's been 3 minutes. Now let's check the temperature of the phone. By the way, phone feels warm right now, still not hot. On the front I've seen a maximum of 41 degrees, at the bottom it is 37. On the back I've seen a maximum of 41 and at the bottom it is 35 degrees. Now I'll be using this phone for a minute to see if there is any kind of throttling. By the way guys, I was able to take 359 images in those 3 minutes, which is great and better than most phones. So guys, even after using this phone for a minute right after doing the heat test, I didn't notice any throttling. There is a slight bit of lag in the UI, but that's negligible, and when the phone cools down a bit, it will be much more smoother. So guys, that was the gaming review, battery drain test and the heat test of Redmi 3i. Thanks for watching. If you're planning to buy this phone, use the link in the description. It always helps the channel. And if you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.